Hi guys, Joe here from Lawn Solutions Australia. If you have experienced a lot of rain recently, you may have noticed your lawn has substantial puddles or is staying waterlogged for an extended period of time. This is quite common during the winter months as there isn't as much sunlight or warmth to help with evaporation. A lawn experiencing these conditions, combined with poor drainage, can lead to a whole host of problems including fungal disease, weed infestation, and can even lead to your lawn dying off. Here's a few things you can do to address the situation. First thing you can try is aeration. Aerating your lawn will help to improve permeability, allowing water to be absorbed better. If your drainage issue is quite severe, regular aerating may not be enough to stop water from pooling. If your soil base is compacted and has a high proportion of clay, regular aerating combined with top dressing will help to improve the soil profile and better allow for water absorption. But this should only be done during the warmer months of the year. It would also be advisable to spread gypsum, which will help the water to seep down deeper. Over time, your lawn can develop a thick layer of thatch, dead organic matter, excessive roots, and stems within the profile of your grass. Dethatching prevents waterlog in your roots and allows proper drainage. This will help to prevent the risk of fungal issues. This too should only be addressed in the warmer months. If your problem continues to persist, even after light to moderate amounts of rain, you'll need to look at a more permanent solution to your drainage issues, such as a French drain, some ag pipe, or a drainage pit. If you are unsure how to install these, it is best to consult with a drainage expert. If the issue has existed for some time, some fungal disease may have occurred. Here are some fungal related symptoms to look out for. Coloured patches or rings in your lawn, usually yellow, white or brown. Powdery coatings or threads on the grass blade surface. Thinned out areas or areas of wet or slimy looking turf. Leaf blades with irregular discoloration or texture. If you have a particularly nasty fungal problem, as well as treating the cause, it is recommended you apply a fungicide. Fungicides kill the fungi and the spores in the soil or the plant and usually come in a liquid form. Mancozeb or Xyloton fungicides control a wide range of diseases and are available from your local garden centre or Bunnings store. If you are looking for a commercially available fungicide, options include products like Bumper and Banamax. If you need any help in identifying or treating your particular lawn issue, you can contact us here at Lawn Solutions Australia or get in touch with your local Lawn Solutions turf supplier or lawn contractor. Check out the Lawn Solutions Australia website for more helpful lawn care tips and advice, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in to Lawn Solutions Australia, and we hope to catch you next time.